Hi guys, welcome to my channel Simply Homemade, and today I have an amazing recipe that's been in my family for a really long time, and it's Pudina Pulao, and it's a very easy recipe. You can never go wrong with, whether you have guests at home or you're just lazy to make an extra effort to make pulao. You can do this. So let's learn how to make it. So the ingredients we require here are half bunch of pudina, there's quarter bunch of coriander, there's 6 green chilies, you can adjust it according to your spice level, there is 1 inch of ginger, and there's 1 pod of garlic, there are 3 onions and 1 tomato and 1 glass of rice. That's all you need for this. So let's add half spoon of oil just to fry the ingredients. Let's add everything to it. Once it's done, it looks like this. So now we are going to grind it. Once this is cool, we'll grind it. So here I am going to use 3 spoons of oil. For 1 glass of rice, 3 spoons, 3.5 should do. I forgot to mention bay leaf in the ingredients, so please add it. So after the oil is heated, we'll add bay leaf. Now the mixture is ready. Let's add this to the oil. Once we add the masala, let's fry the masala until the raw smell goes from it, and fry it in medium flame so we don't burn it. I've fried this for around roughly 5 minutes. This is how it looks. It smells very yummy. Here I have 2 glasses of water. We'll add it to the masala. And bring it to boil. This has been boiling for approximately 3 to 4 minutes. Now let's add the chopped tomatoes. This is a 1 large tomato. Add salt to taste. After adding salt, I've let it to boil another 1 to 2 minutes. Now let's add the rice. This is your last step. Give it a mix. At this point you can taste and see if you need more salt or anything. It's boiling. We'll close the lid and wait for 3 whistles. We'll use medium flame so that we don't burn. And when you're using medium or little lesser flame, the rice grains will be separated. It's done now. Let's open it. Oh my god, this looks so amazing. We'll mix it. Guys, you should try this recipe. It's so amazing. You cannot go wrong with this. Now this is ready. I've paired it with some fried onions and raita. This is the best combo. Hope you guys love it.